Hello and welcome, music lovers out there. In today's video, we will listen to the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2 and the earphone Oluv'Sone X outdoors. My Oluv'Sone X is running Oluv's firmware, which has an additional desktop mode with great results when placed on some surface or at the ground. So please put on your headphones and let's check them out together.
T'entends pas ou quoi? Écoute ça, papa. When I see you, I just go loco, loco, on mon game. When I see you, I just go loco, loco, baby girl. When I see you, I just go loco, loco. Your body language spoken. Like you, I love to chop local, local, baby girl. Your skin they blow my heart in mocha, mocha. I promise you this love in joya, joya. You and me go there forever, forever, forever. Ade, 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 ade. Fine bubble day fly. Ade, 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 ade. Ade, tell you me go there fine.
Let me try now some other EQs for the Tribit.
Situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thought. Let I have you had to break free from the minefield. Bam, bam, bam. It'll be my pleasure, see you pressure just before you break the bone.
It's surprising that with nearly double the power, the Tribit is hardly louder than the earphone, given its weight and size. Please let me know what you think about this too. In case you like my video, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.